Welcome to a new episode of The Premium Escape. Today we are in Enniskerry, a charming town on the southern edge of Dublin, Ireland. In this episode, I will take you on a tour of the Powerscourt Hotel, a luxury 5-star hotel nestled within a beautiful estate surrounded by mountains and lush greenery. As you arrive, you step into a spacious and elegant lobby featuring large sofas, a plush carpet, and stylish coffee tables topped with graceful lamps. The reception desk is conveniently located on the right-hand side of the entrance, allowing guests to check in without crowding the main lobby area. Beyond the reception, the lobby continues into a larger seating area filled with comfortable couches and elegant armchairs. At the far end, there is an open dining space with a grand piano and panoramic views of the hotel's garden, which we will explore later in this video. Since my room was located on the same level as the lobby, I made my way through the corridor adorned with chandeliers and artistic paintings. Each room number is displayed on a gold-tone plaque right beside the solid wooden door we are about to open. Upon entering the classic Deluxe King Room, you will find a small hallway leading into the main area. On the right side of the entrance, there is a walk-in wardrobe with a suitcase stand beneath a full-length mirror. Two spacious closets on each side provide ample storage for personal belongings. Inside one of them, you will find two white robes. Fresh ones are also available for purchase at the gift shop on level 4. In addition, you will also find essentials such as an iron, ironing board, and a safe. Opposite the walk-in wardrobe section, you will find two double doors, revealing a bright and spacious bathroom with a large central mirror, twin sinks set on a sleek vanity with storage space and elegant finishes throughout. To the left, you will find another large mirror above the bathtub, which is stocked with fluffy white towels and luxury spa toiletries. The bathroom has a dedicated space for the toilet, separated by a door next to a walk-in shower. Back outside the bathroom, there is a tea and coffee station. A cabinet below hides a minibar stocked with cold drinks. Above it is a drawer holding cups, glasses, as well as a box with a selection of teas, coffee pods, milk and snacks. In addition to these complimentary treats, guests can find wine, bottled water, a coffee machine, and other treats, all clearly priced. The main area of this hotel room is spacious and features a TV, a desk, as well as a sitting area and a large king-size bed. The TV is built into an elegant wooden unit with extra storage space below. Just beside the TV is a square desk with 2 chairs, an elegant lamp, and a mirror. Despite being on the 4th floor, the room let plenty of light and guests can enjoy and sit back in their dedicated sitting area located next to the king-size bed. Overall, the room is tastefully decorated with striped wallpaper and frame artwork, creating a refined yet cozy atmosphere. Now that we have completed the room tour, let's explore some of the hotel's amenities. On the lower floor of the hotel, guests can find a spa and a gym, which is also available to all the members of the Powerscourt Leisure Club. Spa access is booking based only, and the price list is available and also found on their website. Since filming isn't allowed in the spa and pool areas, I've included photos on screen so you can get a glimpse of the space. One of the highlights of this hotel is the back garden, with its stunning mountain views creating a peaceful and relaxing setting. Additionally, the hotel offers a children's play area, outdoor seating, and beautifully maintained lawns. Looking back at the hotel from the back garden, guests can notice its architecture, which is a true masterpiece of elegance. Breakfast is served in the Sika restaurant, which is one of the 3 restaurants available in the hotel. On sunny days, you can enjoy your breakfast on the terrace, taking in the fresh air and breathtaking views. Overall, the Powerscourt Hotel is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enjoy a luxury escape close to Dublin, surrounded by nature and tranquility.